how to enable or disable mouse pointer indicator in Windows 11. If you can't find your mouse pointer, use the mouse pointer indicator, a built-in Windows 11 accessibility feature. Here's how you can enable or disable it on your Windows 11 PC. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Why use mouse pointer indicator? One pet peeve we often face when using PCs is not knowing where your mouse pointer went on your monitor display. Fortunately, there is a feature that can help you find it, the mouse pointer indicator, and you can activate it by simply pressing the Control key. However, if it is disabled on your computer, there are 4 ways to turn this feature on. Methods to enable or disable mouse pointer indicator. Method 1, Control Panel, Mouse Properties. Let's start with Settings. Open Settings, head to Accessibility, and click on Mouse Pointer and Touch. From there, you can toggle on or off the mouse indicator. Method 2, Mouse Properties. You can also do this with Mouse Properties. Press Windows key plus R, type main.cpl, and press Enter to open Mouse Properties. Go to the Pointer Options tab, and under the Visibility section, check or uncheck the box labeled Show Location of Pointer when I press the Control key. Click Apply, then OK to save changes. Method 3, Registry Editor. For IT administrators, you can manage this setting using the Registry Editor. Open Registry Editor and navigate to H key, Current User, \Control Panel, \Mouse. Find and double-click the value labeled Show Location and set the value to 0 or 1 to disable or enable respectively. Click OK, close the window, and sign out and back in, or restart Windows Explorer for the changes to apply. Method 4, PowerShell. You can also use PowerShell for scripted or remote deployments. Open PowerShell and run this command to enable or this command to disable the mouse pointer indicator. Note that the Show Location registry value must already exist for this method to work. After running the command, sign out and back in, or restart Windows Explorer to apply the changes. With mouse pointer indicator, you do not need to fret anymore when you can't find your mouse pointer, especially on large or multi-monitor setups. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to enable or disable mouse pointer indicator in Windows 11, linked in the description below.